This is called Ununkwere. This is where we are going right now.
It's a separate place.
Yes. A nice place. A nice place. Wow, no be small thing, you know. Can you see this place? Can you see where we are going to now? Aha. Can you see where we are heading to? Hope you can see where we are heading to. They call this place Ngu. This is in Unkwere. In Unkwere. Can you see it? Yes. It's a nice place to be. Can you see the place? Can you see it? Yes. The water is coming out. Can you see it? Can you see it? The water is coming out from rock. They say that this is the neatest water here in Olu zone. This is the neatest water, but here is in Unkwere. This is in Unkwere. In Unkwere. In Unkwere local government. This is where it is. We call it Ngu. So this is where the water is. You can see it. A very nice place to be. A very nice place to be. This is nature. Nature is very powerful. Can you see it? Nature is very powerful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Can you see it? Can you see Kelly? Kelly is our DOP. Kelly is trying to wash his face so that whenever he handles camera, miracle will start happening. Anybody that is recording will be blowing. The person will start blowing. This is nature. In fact, I love this place. I love this place.
I won't pass it down now by 12 o'clock.
I love this place. Can you see it?
Let me take water. Oh, excuse me.
I love this place.
Oh, you got photo.
I love this place. This is very powerful. Nature is good.
Yeah. It's a
Nature is
healing
good.
water. You need it in your life.
It's a healing water. You need it.
Separate place. Don't do bad things and come here.
We don't do anything bad here. This
Avoid
is
woman before you come here.
you don't come here to
Avoid
do
woman.
nonsense.
Avoid woman. Avoid woman. Avoid woman here.
Can you see it? So it's a natural place, very beautiful place. In fact, nature is very good. Can you see it? Yes.
Kelly.
Can you see it? It's a nice place to be.
Very nice place.
It's a powerful place. It's a powerful place. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Good. Good. It's a great place. Hmm? It's a great place to be. This is called Ngu. It's a nice place to be. Ngu in Unkwere. Yes, it's a powerful place.